Ready, go.
Hey, Georgia. What are you gonna do?
Georgia, you like the snow? Do you like the snow?
Go!
Okay, I'm closing the door, Bren. Bren, what do you want to say to the camera?
One more time.
One more time, ready?
Bye, camera.
Ah. Okay, you guys have fun a couple more minutes, okay?
Why?
Because it's going to be too cold.
I don't want to come in.
Alright.
I just stayed out here for like
Go ahead, let's see you jump. Ready?
that. Go.
Go.
Can I try one more time?
One more time, kid.
I'm gonna do it on the snowy one. The really snowy one.
Okay, I'm ready.
I'm not ready yet. 1, 2, 3. Go!
Alright.
Georgia, how would you like your famous treat? Another famous treat? There's still more.
Bye, Bren.
Bye, Mommy.